Corvette, hopping with the jet like that. Hey! Your legs look like that? Yeah, look like that. I'm sitting right there, and I have to literally use my own. I gotta do my own photo shoot. He a buster. He's a freaking buster. Y'all see? Ooh. Baby, get the camera and do a up and down of me. Baby, just come take the camera.
All right. The champ is here.
So this is the package it came in. I'm just gonna show y'all the package and show y'all what was in it. It was just 3 bundles and a closure, 4x4.
So it came with a 4x4 bodywave frontal. Oh, these actually good lashes, unlike the Chinese company send you. Yes, these are really good. And then it came with 20, she's on the 24-inch bodywave.
So all 24 inches. Oh, she blessed me. I'm about to get the burp. This is a black-owned company. So yes, we support black businesses on this channel. So I bleached the back first. The simple fact that I noticed the knots are bigger in the back, so it takes more time for them to bleach versus in the front. They're thinner because when they go ahead and make these laces, that's what they do. Make them thinner so it could be a more appropriate hairline. Because I've been wanting to try 4x4 for the longest, because I am tired of frontals, because the simple fact on the sides, like bruh, my frontals be so slay, and then on the sides shit just be lifted. Like, that's not cool, you know what I'm saying? Like, why you wanna lift up on me? What I did to you? It bleached so beautifully. Look at that. The whole thing is bleached really even. That's how your knot should look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pluck it because everything is pretty copacetic over here. Okay, so right here, what you're gonna be seeing me do is parting the front out so I don't over pluck, because your girl is notorious for over plucking. So if I part like about an inch out, it really helps me to not over pluck. Then I'm gonna part right down the middle, because that's what I'm gonna do. I'm doing the middle part, so I don't want to pluck by my middle part. So that's why I part that out, because if you start plucking right there where your part is gonna be, I learned that you be having patches and stuff, and then it looks just a mess. Like next, I'm gonna go ahead and start plucking behind the part that I plucked in the front of the head. Never on the line, always behind the line. Y'all know the drill. And you want to have like some good expensive tweezers. I got mine from Sally's. They cost me almost like $15, so they're pretty good. And you want to do this about 2 to 3 times, but keep moving. See, there's definitely a difference from the non-pluck side to the pluck side. And then if you actually want to like really pluck, you can sometimes pluck on in front of that line, but I'm not, because I want baby hair, so I'm not going to do that. So as you see here, I go back in, plucking again, just to make sure that I'm getting that indentation look, but I'm staying away from my middle part. Please stay away from the middle part. All right, so now what I'm doing is laying my frontal. After I pluck both sides, I'm going to take my wax stick glue and then put it all over, even in between my two parts, so that when I hot comb, it gets really flat. See how I parted in there to put it down? You want your thing to be flat. I found that when I do this step prior to putting it on my head, my frontals lay flatter and they lay better. Even if you style your frontals before you put them on the head, always look better for some reason. And then you don't have to risk the fact that you're pulling or tugging too hard and that your lace comes up. So this makes me very comfortable, and it's just the way I do it. And you're gonna see like this closure is gonna be like slayed. So I think I'm gonna start doing this method all the time, because it really helped me to get my baby hairs looking good for the first time ever. Stuff that I picked up from there. Get your 30-second glue. I'm gonna try this Sweetie Edge Control, and then I had gotta make your own cap. So we about to make the wig with glue on wig. So usually I make my wigs with glue, and then I go back and sew it later, because I ain't got time. You know what I'm saying? So we're finna get into that right now. And, oh, and if you haven't noticed on my channel, I talk about having a big head all the time, so I get extra large. This dome cap is actually 24 inches. Normal dome, see how big it is? Because this is how big my head is. Normal dome caps are about 21, 22 if you have a normal size head, but like me, my head big as hell. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my plastic bag around my dome cap so I don't get any glue on it. I'm just protecting mine. Okay. think this is the center here. This is the center, from what I can see, and then this is the other line. See, now I can't find the second fucking line. Okay, it's over here. All right, so that's how you get your shit centered. Just measure it up to where it's supposed to be centered at. As you can see, it measured up perfectly. Look at that. Dem de la creme. And then you're gonna put it just a little bit in front of the black cap. Just a little bit. Don't be doing too much. Just a little bit in front. Okay, now so we're gonna start going ahead and sewing our closure down. You just wanna sew on the band and go all the way around to the front. When you get to the front, make sure you stop, because you don't want to see, like, stop like maybe like a half an inch before the end of the closure, because you don't want to see that black thing on your wig cap when you put it on your head. And so close together. My wig, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the tracks in the back. This is 30-second glue. My orange is going crazy. I tried to use the other glue, and let me tell you, my tracks was coming up. Usually I double on the back, but as you can see, I went ahead and put lines just to make sure I don't run out of tracks, because this is a closure wig versus a frontal. You don't need as many bundles. But for closures, because you have to cover more space on the head part, because the frontal's not doing that for you, you want to be very careful on how you use your bundles. What I'm gonna do, because I have like one more bundle left, I'm probably gonna go back and double this on that. Oh wow. I'm gonna go ahead and today. I take this, spray it on the track part, and then blow dry it. It gives it like a crazy hole. You want to double in the top, and you don't want to double too much in the back, because it's gonna be too thin at the top. And you're gonna run out of bundles. This is my hair. I have not glued it down yet. I was planning on my baby hair to see how I wanted to do it. For the most part, I got how I want it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this. This is supposed to be like a little swirl, but it ain't doing it, so I might just put it back the other way. What helped me get them to look so soft, and it's this edge fixer. I think this is the Sweetie. Y'all, I would recommend getting it. Like, I suck at baby hairs, but this really did like help me kind of mold it, and I haven't even glued it down, and it do give them like that little soft look. So what I'm doing is I'm using edge control, and I got the berry cherry kind, because I noticed when I do my own edges, I have no problem, and that's only because I have more control. So now I'm gonna go glue it down, and then I'm gonna cut layers, baby, because one thing about it, this is all 24, so I'm gonna cut some layers in the front and curl it so that it can give me some body. Okay, but my baby hairs don't look too bad, and I'm not the best at baby hairs. I went ahead and plucked the little part a little bit. I still had to go in with some more makeup, and I'm finna get ready to glue it down for you guys. I'm gonna just push my baby hairs back. I wish I had a normal head, like a small head. My hairline wasn't so low, but I got all these issues that I'm working against, and I think it really affects my installs, because not only my hairline is low, my head is fucking humongous. So I really have to I have a widow's peak too, so I have to shave it off here, and which is I have to do so much to get my hair look decent. Looking glued down, I went ahead and put like a little bit. I just did like this on my finger, and then like out some the parts I want to see around, like tapped it in, and then put the blow dry on it, cause that's how you get that melted look. This looks really good. I'm gonna put this on there for like 5 minutes.
I'm gonna put this on for like 5 minutes and then come back and then do my baby hairs.
All right, it's been 5 minutes. I'm gonna take this off. This thing is a headache. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. That is lovely. Can't tell me it ain't mine. Age fixer, the sweetie shit. Works, girl. This is why I don't do this on camera. This is a whole video in itself. Yeah, that look something. It's looking like something. Do a side camera because that's already been 3 minutes and that's too long. And my face is long, and I just don't think it's gonna look right if I don't cut it. Like if I don't layer it. I'm telling you, layers. I had to learn. Like, don't be afraid to cut your hair. It will make or break your style, especially if you have like a long face like me. I don't know how to cut hair, but I tell you one thing, in my young Jeezy voice, I tell you one thing, this thing you don't have to know how to cut hair. You just gotta know where you want your layers to stop. And make sure you get over here. This is so important. And no matter how much you layer in the front, if you don't make these sides, layer these sides, your hair is not gonna fall like you need it to fall. I love this unit. This hair is beautiful. And I know y'all ain't seen me a long time, but y'all gotta understand I am in nursing school, so I feel like I have not been on my YouTube run. See, it's coming along versus this side flat, layered out. I'm gonna do the other side off camera. All right, y'all, so I had went ahead and put a little bit of layers in it and curled it. I use wand curlers to curl my hair because I cannot for the life of me curl with a flat iron. I bought these nano big curlers and I wanted like some big, like, no. So it looks like I'm wand curling it out and I just combed the curls out. Hopefully they just fall. Okay, listen up, ladies. So lately I've been going in with a liquid concealer that's like way lighter than my skin color and on my parts and in the front of my lace, and it's been giving this illusion like this shadows and stuff, but it makes my part and my lace look way better. See how I blend it in right there and it gives like this shadow effect and it looks so good. So that's just a little trick I've been doing lately. You'll see in the end.
Ooh, okay. Please.
What?
Quit playing.
What?
Ooh.
What?
Who is that?
This is the finished look. It's so freaking cute. And then the light is hitting me just right. I got my little toothpaste on from Wholesale 7. Those clothes are mad cheap. But that shipping though. See? 6-pack coming in. I'm gonna give y'all an update on my tummy tuck. I just, ooh, it's giving me, okay, so yes, this is the finished look. No filter, this is straight from my camera. This is good lighting and let's zoom in. Just the light, ooh, nigga. And then I got my real hair right there. My real hair right there. I feel like personally, these 4x4s, closures are gonna be my shit. I don't need no frontal. This is so freaking cute. Shout out to Trinity Hair. I'm gonna post all of these on this this hair company, Trinityvirginhaircompany. I'm gonna put their Facebook below, I'm gonna put their Instagram below, and I'm gonna give y'all my discount code where y'all can get this hair, and y'all can get, I think, 20% off. Don't quote me on that, I'll put it below just to make sure. But it's beautiful hair, and then you can tell it's so, like, when I tell you this hair is so soft, like so soft. Support black businesses. Like, this is the time, now or never. Support black businesses, and this hair is bomb as hell. I had 3 24s, a 20-inch 4x4, regular color, like I think it's like what, brown, like the natural brown. Yeah, bitches, me. This ain't no filter, and little bit of makeup, just a little bit, like under the eye, and the eyebrows and skin. Y'all know I ain't no real YouTube guru. I can do all that shit. I can give you a lip and a highlight. That's it. Thank you for coming to my channel. I will have an update on my tummy tuck soon. Nursing school has had me very busy, so I have not been consistent with uploading because it's just like, bruh, I'm gonna do nothing. If y'all want me to do a video on how my nursing school journey is going, let me know, because the studying is out of control. But yeah, this is not finished. Look, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I tried to be as detailed as possible, and I'll be uploading again. Bye, love bugs, and make sure you subscribe to my channel.